Okay guys, I'm in the middle of installing a hitch on my 2005 Econoline E350 van. As you can see, I already have it up here because I've been trying to get it to fit properly and it won't fit properly. I have these two bolts that fit good. The third one over here doesn't even line up with the hole. See the hole right there? And I noticed that this thing is kind of, it's not straight. It's like kind of like bent. I don't know why it's like that, if it's supposed to be that way or what, but that hole doesn't line up. See my finger? And it's the same way on both sides. See this other side? Same way. These two line up pretty good, but this one, you can see, you can probably see this one better. See how this is curved? I'm gonna see if I can hit it with a sledgehammer and see if I can bend it. I can make the holes line up. I don't know if I'll be able to because this is pretty hard steel. So we'll see. Kinda made a mark right there just to see if I'm getting anywhere, if I'm bending it at all or if I'm just wasting my time. But yeah, I only hit it like 3 times and it is working. You guys, you can see, you can kind of already see the hole there, and my mark is already getting covered, so I'm gonna keep going, hit it a few more times. I gave it about 10 more whacks and the hole is almost lined up. Better make sure you wear safety glasses because you're gonna be getting crap all over your face and your eyes. There's a lot of crap up here that falls on your face whenever you're hitting it with the hammer. It's almost lined up. I got a little bit more to go, just a little bit more. I'm using this towel here to kind of not mess up my paint over here. So yeah, I'll give it a few more whacks and see if we can get it to lined up, and then we gotta do the other side. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty much almost perfectly lined up now. You can see right here where this corner was before. This corner used to be right here, right where the mark is. So this thing was off by a lot, so that right there is pretty good. So I can go ahead and stick the bolt on there now. So we need one of these metal plates. It goes up here on top. And then we just put the bolt right through it like that, and then the nut. There you go, right there. I still gotta tighten these ones down. I'm just putting them on there for now. As you can see, this side is just as bad as the other side. I don't know why it's like this, if it's a manufacturer defect or what, but you can even tell that this is bent a little bit like this, curved. So I don't know what the deal is, but yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other side. Okay guys, I don't know how, but this side only took like 5 whacks and the bolt or the hole lined up perfectly. Look at that. I literally only hit it like 5 times and then I came over here and looked, and it's perfectly lined up. So let's install the bolt. I'm just gonna hit it with the impact, and they're supposed to be torqued down to 110 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna hit it down with the impact first. Yeah guys, I'm done installing that. There's the it's a Curt, is that what you pronounce it? And here's the part number on the other side, right there. As you can see, everything is bolted down now, and it looks good. I'll show you the other side. The spare tire. Easy install if everything lines up like it should. Shouldn't take you more than probably half an hour, but in my case the back two holes didn't line up, so I had to like beat on it with the sledgehammer to make it line up, and that took a while. So there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this nonsense video, and just in case you ever want to install one of these hitches on any of these vans, it's not hard, easy. Bye now.